7 killer hand and foot patterns that can be combined for endless possibilities. Hey, this is Gerald Miles back at it with another helpful video. As always, I want to give a big shout out to all of my subscribers. If you're not a member of the family yet, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I drop a brand new video. Today's lesson is part 1 of a 2-part series and a must-watch for single and double bass drum players. These hand and foot combinations are going to add to your vocabulary and give you a foundation for unlimited ideas around your kit. In this video, I'll show you the full exercise and break down each of the 7 patterns. Later, I'll show you how to turn these patterns into musical ideas. Although part 1 is a single bass drum exercise, it's still super helpful for those wanting to improve their double bass playing. Almost every drummer has one foot that's weaker than the other, specifically when it comes to speed and playing complex rhythms. The most effective way to improve your overall double bass drumming is to first strengthen one foot individually. I highly recommend double pedal players use this first video to strengthen their speed and coordination for each hand and foot separately before jumping into part 2, which is exclusively for both feet playing together. I pasted a link in the description section below for you to download a PDF of the written exercise when we're done with today's lesson. Let's get to work. Before I break this down, I really want to hear from you. Are you primarily a single pedal user or a double? Leave a comment down below and let me know. For learning purposes, I'm going to demonstrate each pattern between my snare and kick. Once you have a good feel for each pattern, it's time to run them all together. As always, pick a slow tempo that'll set you up for success. I recommend you keep this exercise between your kick and snare until you're looping it consistently without mistakes. For single pedal users, I suggest this routine. Play once with your right hand and bass drum. Next time around, use your left hand. Then use both hands simultaneously on the third time around. Keep looping and building muscle memory. My double pedal friends should use their right hand and right foot. Then switch to left hand and left foot on the second pass. If your left side is weaker, feel free to add an extra rep on that side, or even an extra 2 reps. Once you feel you've mastered all the combinations between your kick and your snare, you'll be ready to bump up the tempo and move around the drum kit. The next stage of the game is to use these patterns in a musical setting. You can use each pattern as a measure fill in a 4-bar loop. Finally, you can experiment with mixing all of these to get combinations for endless fills and soloing ideas. If you're a double bass player or you're thinking about getting into it, be sure to watch part 2 of this series where I show you how to apply all of these ideas to both of your feet and make you into a double bass superhero. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Smash that thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends and click the links in the description to follow me on social media. Keep rocking, and I'll see you in the next one.